Happy New Year, General Math students. Welcome back to school in the year 2021. Way to go. Hope you had a great break, but we are back to school and ready to get going. So this is your assignment video for January 4th through 8th, 2021. Yay! So we are starting Unit 5, which is ratios, proportions, and percentages. I say this in the first video, but this is a long unit, but we're going to take our time and we're going to do the best job that we can. But you have 3 assignments this week, hopefully none of them too terribly long. All of it is in Go Formative. So you're going to start in Go Formative, and it's going to be listed in Schoology as well, but everything is in Go Formative. So here we go. 5.1a, there's a video and there's practice 1 through 8. Not homework, just practice 1 through 8, all in Go Formative. Then you have 5.1b, which is a video and practice 10 through 16. Then you have 5.1 homework, and in 5.1 homework, there are 2 parts, okay? The first part is the 5.1c video. There's no practice to this video. The main practice will be with your homework, but it's 5.1c video, and then homework 1 through 16. So you have 3 videos, 5.1a, 5.1b, and then 5.1c. And with 5.1a, there's practice. With 5.1b, there's practice. And with 5.1c and the other ones, it all comes down to the homework. This is the one that I am going to be watching for. That's the one that I'm going to be watching for. You guys know when your assigned schedules are. If not, send me a message and I will tell you when we're going to meet. And remember, we have a question of the week. So here's our question of the week. I want you, before you come to class, to make a goal for your math class in 2021. What do you want to accomplish in 2021 in math? So when you come to class, that's what I want you to be answering for me. What do you want to accomplish in math in 2021 for 7th grade? It can be totally up to you to get a certain grade, to get a good grade on a test, to keep up on your homework, to take better notes. You come up with what you would like to accomplish in 2021 in math class. Can't wait to see you in our scheduled Google Meet. Message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, Happy New Year.